Happy birthday, Ate Imon!
Happy birthday, Tita Imon. Good luck, good health. God bless you. That's all my heart can say. Hello, Hana. Hello, Xavier.
Happy birthday, Doc Imon. Ako si Jingjing, na anak ni Tuding. Daghan kay salamat sa tanan na imong naitabang sa akong mama na perminti nimo ginatagaan o pasalubong ug unsa pa. Hantod karon Doc Imon na naagi po ako ang pasalubong gikan sa imong habon sa mapadala nimo. Naagi ako para sa kugawa jud ka kalimot sa amoa. Thank you sa imong pagka-generous. God bless. Happy birthday.
Imon, happy birthday. May God abundantly bless you. We love you, Imon.
Surprise! Happy birthday! Say hi! Ate Amon, I wish you all the best and all the good things because you deserve them, because you're simply one of the most simple and generous, humble kanang humans out there. And I'm very, very proud that you are my cousin. And we are very grateful every time you give us something or you share something with us. So happy birthday, Ate Amon. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Mon. Mon, na si Hana. Hana, this is flower from Lake Hanalei. This is not plastic. This is real flower. Look. From Lake Hanalei.
Happy birthday to you.
From the DeLuna family, all the way from Boise, Idaho. Happy 50th birthday, Farah. Your Tita Farah. Yeah. So far, we're so grateful to God for your life, and 50 years is such a blessing. The last time I remember speaking on your birthday was when I was the MC on your 18th birthday. It was one of the pinakabonggang birthday celebrations or parties that I attended during that time. So I can only imagine that this time it's going to be doubly special and bongga because 50 years is such a milestone already. So I am so grateful and proud to be your classmate and lifelong friend, and for being present for at least 2 of those big milestones in your life. So once again, happy birthday. We miss you. We hope to see you guys soon. Regards to Troy and the kids.
Stay young at heart, Far.
Hello, Far! Hello! Congratulations on half a century of making the world better and brighter. Fabulous 50! Happy birthday, Far! Happy birthday!
Hello!
Hello!
We are here. We are going to the city. And of course, Mama is here in Jensen. And we want to say happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Farah!
Happy 30th birthday!
Wow, 30 years old pa lang siya.
Oo.
She's very young.
Yes.
Wow, and a doctor at that.
Wow.
And of course, and a very successful doctor in US of A.
Yes.
Wow! God bless you.
God bless.
And we want to pray for you. And of course, a very happy mom.
Happy birthday!
Our loving and prayerful greetings to the birthday celebrant, our dear Dr. Farah Ambalong Avendano.
Talino kagandahan at kabaitan, kapit bumabati, bukal sa kalooban, di ka malilimot, magpakailan pa man. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Wishing you all the best in life. We love you, Dr. Farah.
Happy birthday.